Money's kind of a touchy subject, isn't it? I get it. It's been a touchy subject for quite a portion of my life. And honestly, the reason why it was so touchy is because as women, we're not trained to be financially independent. We are told that we are capable of doing whatever we set our minds to, but when it comes down to finances and when it comes down to monetizing our worth, we're not really taught how to do that. We internally believe that we need to settle for less than we deserve. So it's not that people aren't encouraging us to earn whatever it is that we want and do whatever it is that we want. It's just that we have not been trained to buy into that story that we are sitting on a gold mine. This is exactly why come tax season or come the end of the month for most women, it's like, gosh, why can't I make more money? Why can't I be financially free? Why am I a slave to like these trickling dollars that are coming in? And that's exactly why we've created Her Money School, so that you can understand exactly how to build different revenue streams, be that through your career, through your business, or even just making a few simple tweaks with your money mindset. You deserve to be financially free. And let's be honest, when women like you, women like me, make more money, we make the world an even better place to live in, not just for us, but for generations to come. So stop saying that you want more money. Start doing something, like downloading Her Money School and getting started for free ASAP.